Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Anthony, your regular presenter for this First State Immigrant Solution. So in case if una never subscribe, una not forget, una go hit the subscribe button so that make the ministry they go on. So wetin make me come out today, make I say make I come cook this story where they cooked since now the story don done. And this story now I will do am for two parts. One part now I wan do, so why the second part go see dey come again. Wetin be this story wey I dey cook since? Na be this hearing of commission. So wetin be this hearing of commission? Na the moment wey you know say commission go give you date wey you come, wey dem come interview you. Na the central moment for question and examination of your asylum request. That one na big grammar. Wetin make me just say make I just first define that hearing? Na be say that big grammar, so now I wan break. Na the time wey dem go come call you say, my brother and sister, wetin make you comot for Bongo? So come tell us, make we dey hear. And then dem for come give you series of questions, and dem still knack you series of questions, and dem come examine your story wey make you comot for Bongo. Na say make I first let us know concerning this particular aspect, because a lot of my viewers still request for this one. Now I say make I come cook this one, because now this First State Immigrant Solution na be the only place you for fit get this advice before the thing happen for your clear eye. So they say make you shine your eye out, because they not dey fight for abroad. If you fight for abroad, the day wey kasala go burst, na you go still hear am hot, because of say any leg wey you put for ground for abroad, nyeke they still dey watch am follow you. If you use wrong leg, if you put wrong leg for ground, or still dey use wrong leg, still dey follow you dey go. Because you know say if you know say rain go beat you for one place two times, it's better make you just fair hold your umbrella first, because the day wey that second rain go come with your umbrella, you go suffer. Prepare yourself. So make una make sure so na watch this video to the end. That make me say make I first use this one. I no wan use this one to create fear for ourselves, but I wan use this one to create how you fit take guide yourself in this day of your commission. Na be this topic there about, and na two parts I will do am. First part now I wan do, so second part go see dey come for road. So wetin be this court hearing? Now define so na the central moment wey government will come see ask you question concerning your political asylum. So if commission wan decide for this your political asylum, wetin be the thing wey be that they require from you? Na three things. First thing wey make commission dey decide: one, your commission hearing. That commission hearing na be that day wey dem dey hear from you face to face, and most of them na verbal, which means dem go ask you questions, you go answer them. If you know say you no dey hear the language of the country wey you dey, make sure say they bring interpreter for you, and the interpreter wey they will bring, make sure say come from the region or the area or the country where you dey. If they bring any interpreter wey come from any other place wey you know say you dey, and the person don't know wetin dey happen for that particular area, if he translate potopoto for you, and if he translate potopoto for you, anything wey the guy write for ground, make sure say you see cross check am. If you not cross check am, you quick and sign, mean say you agree to wetin the person translate for you. Now make most of our brothers and sisters go say, don't be say they talk on that day. At the end of the day, if the commission result come out, they'll say they give the person negative. You go say, don't be say they talk. But if they give you negative, that one not mean saying at the end of the world. Another this thing still there whether they call court, judiciary aspect of it, where is still high past commission. So now those people go see come see decide. So if you know say the commission not give you paper, court today, whether they call judiciary aspect, they see first and second appeal. First appeal and second appeal now based on say if the judge not dey satisfied, na either go reach the other one. They still get some kind of people where they still give paper for this commission without saying no go the other first or second appeal. Commission get right to give you whether positive or negative, or whether political asylum, subsidiary protection, or special cases protection. In case if you know say you chop aduro before October 4, wey be 2008, wey Savini law talk. Na they'll give you humanitarian. If you chop aduro after that October 4, 2018, na special case na go take shele if the result come out. So na be the commission result. If you give you positive or negative or any of this international protection, what they call political asylum, subsidiary protection, special case or humanitarian, if your what they call the political asylum request now old request, maybe before that 2018. So, and the decision of this commission, so it is based on not be the day where you go commission that will give you the result. So if you give you result after that particular day, after 1 month, after 1 week, after 1 year, some after a year plus. So it is not dey constant, it varies depending on the commissioner. And they will take decide whether they will give the person or not. So I'll still do video concerning in case if they give you any protection and they're not still satisfied with the result. At the end of the day, within 30 days, commission still get right in collaboration with they call it state lawyer, avocado de stato. They'll still get right to still write against that decision of the judge, and you still get right to still go for further appeal to also contest that particular decision. That one time to come for that one, we will still talk about that one. So wetin make me come now, how you fit take compose yourself if you know say you dey commission, and wetin be the question wey dem dey ask if you know say that day wey you dey go commission. So first thing, commission go ask you your hearing. Under this hearing, they'll ask you series of questions which I'll still talk about now. Then another thing again, documentation or proof of your story wey you know say make you comot for your house, wetin happen to you. If you get any documentation or any proof, you still use am still take back am up. You still dey aid wetin make commissioner still dey use to dey examine your asylum request. The last thing again, your situation of your country or any other geographical area of your country of origin. For instance, wetin that one mean be say if you come for any area where you know say Boko Haram dey always dey shoot, or that place dey always dey get crisis, or that place dey always get ethnic crisis, or that place there is no peace, you are entitled to get a positive result from the commission because of say you come from that geographical area or you come from that country of origin. If you know say war dey that particular country, na be the three things wey commission dey use to dey judge that particular person. If you know say you come from the situation of that country of origin and the geographical area, the situation country of that person of origin, if you know say you talk story where a particular law for that country e dey against that particular protection, and that for Europe that kind of law not dey. So for those kind one, they'll look at that country situation. Or if you come for country where you know say war dey, those kind of things they use those things to they assess before they take they give person whether positive or negative. So commission hearing. So this commission hearing now, what will be the general question whether they ask you? They'll ask you your general question concerning your nationality, your date of birth, how your members of your family, your situation of your family, your personal situation, and any other thing concerning your country of origin. They'll go ask you. When they want us to know whether really you come from that particular country, you must be able to answer them. And if you know say all these questions where are they taught, so you know you get any question concerning this particular aspect, you feel see wire me for my phone number 35101233025. So if I get answer to your question, I go see reply you, or if you drop your comment on this bottom of this video where they do so. Then another thing again, the way you take travel come up for your bongo, for your country of origin, they'll say ask you where you for see money and the various places where you pass before you reach the various country or the country where you dey. So they'll see ask you concerning your traveling matter, and they'll see ask you concerning your ethnic group or your political orientation, whether you belong to any ethnic group or you belong to any political party, or it belongs to any region, any religion, sorry, any religion, whether na Christian, Muslim, or pagan, or any other religion wey you know say you belong to, you have to also let them know. And you make sure say you state this last two one wey I wan talk so, na be the major reason wey commission take dey give person positive or negative if you talk am well. Wetin be the question? Na be say the reason why you comot for your country of your origin. Na that one na you explain your story wetin make you comot for your country of origin. And the last one wey I wan still talk be say the reason why you no wan go back to your country of your origin. Na that one be you go still explain the reason and the threat wey you know say you go still face if they still carry your enemy go back to your country of origin. So this one na be the basic examination questions hearing wey commissioner need to still ask to still take get information concerning wetin you talk for your story. So if you fit explain and defend all these things wey I don say so far well, and with the help of interpreter, if they fit interpret for you well, and make sure say before you sign the paper wey they'll give you for commission, make sure say they go read out to you. The translator make it translate them back to you to the language wey you know say you go understand before you sign. Because if you don't sign, mean say you agree to wetin they write for ground. If you know say they write the language wey you know say you no dey understand, all the names or say you don tire, wan you quick sign, na you get the wahala at the end of the day. If you dey happy, the come dey talk say no be so I take talk am. The judge go see ask you say how you take talk am, make you come repeat am again. So make sure say this area very very important. Another thing again wey I still like to shook my mouth put, so I will still talk am for the part 2 of this video, be say make sure say the interpreter wey they go bring come from your country or the region where you dey, because of say there are some certain things wey you know say some body language wey translator wey you know say no come for your country go fit, e no fit explain. If for instance now you dey tell somebody wey no dey Africa now, you dey tell am about voodoo or juju, e go be like say na strange thing, say this guy don dey mad. You understand me now? Or you dey tell am some things wey you know say the way culture take be for Africa, say they dey pay bride price. E go be like say na new thing, because Oyibo dem no dey pay bride price. You understand me now? E go be like say na new thing to them. So if somebody no come from your region or Africa, wey go fit explain am well to them where everything take play, e go dey difficult for you to fit get the right answer from commission. Because to translate, many people think say na just to know the language, not be only to know the language. Na make that they call them intercultural mediation, which means is intercultural translation. Because there are some certain things even though say you dey hear the language where you know fit explain, because of say you no come from that particular region. Not be wetin dey play for Ghana, dey play for Nigeria. Not be wetin dey play for Mali, not be dey play for Cameroon. Not be wetin dey play for north of Africa, not be dey play for south of Africa. Na so the whole thing take dey. So na make am say e good make you get a good interpreter wey go fit explain your story in details to the commissioner. Before the commissioner need to examine am, go come give you the result. So the result, as I first talk, is either they give you different type of status, whether political asylum, subsidiary, or humanitarian or special case, as the case may be, or it give you negative if you not meet up to any of these requirements. So if you go look the video where I draw concerning subsidiary, international protection, humanitarian, and special cases, I don't drop those videos in my previous video. But concerning this commission aspect, they just see ask me now, say make I use this one to educate our viewers, or for those people who know say if they still need them, we don't first pass through this process, and we see the work for this setup. Now we can say we still use this one to educate our brothers and sisters we still need all these things. So wanna not forget to subscribe. I still remain your regular presenter, Anthony. Una bye bye.